All right, we have the Jake and Vera litter. They're 19 days old, 18 days old, something like that. We got a sable boy. Hi, handsome. Eyes are open this week, huh, Bubs? I know. And we have the other dark sable male, or the second dark sable male. And the third dark sable male. Oh, buddy. Good job, guys, huh? And then, oh, come here, Tank. The sable female. Oh, stay there, stay on the blanket though. And then a bicolor male. Look at them with their eyes open, so adorable. And Mama's fur all over you guys, huh? And my hair all over you. And then the female bicolor. Hi. Oh, hold on, bud. And the last bicolor male. Hi, mister. You guys are so cute. Hi, babies. Oh, I know, pretty babies.
Hello.
Huh. No. Oh no. Are you vocal? Are you vocal? Oh, is that right, babies? I know. Puppies in the sun.